Have you ever considered that there may be an opportunity that you're missing out on? A chance to make at least $1,000 every day. That is most likely what you're considering right now. And it is why you're watching this video. We're going to show you a brand new approach for making over $1,000 every single day with only one huge website in today's video. Apart from the fact that this operation is absolutely free, which is obviously amazing, you can repeat it as many times as you like, and there will be no marketing or making up movies involved. You won't even require expert knowledge. All you need are a few fundamental people skills to get started making money with today's strategy. Today's approach is open to anyone from anywhere in the world, since as you know, we don't want to leave anyone behind. Also, make sure you watch the full video from the beginning to end to avoid becoming confused with today's strategy and to avoid missing any essential elements, as missing important details will likely result in you not getting the results you desire. In 2022, this will be a simple way to earn money online. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the conclusion. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. The first website we'll show you will be the one that will create passive money for you. You only need to type in the link that I will reveal later, so stay tuned. After pressing enter, you should be sent to this page. Basically, the purpose of this website is to assess Instagram accounts in growing. They sell Instagram followers for as little as $3 and go up to $9, which we think is a fairly decent value. Anyway, here's the website that will enable us to begin earning money right immediately. Don't worry, we don't need to make an Instagram account if you don't already have one, nor will you need to drag your own Instagram account into today's technique or anything similar. We'll tell you more about that later, but there's something we want you to remember. We'll walk you through the entire process, which will include a script and certain specific buttons. So pay attention since we don't want you to be unsuccessful, especially because we know you can earn $1,000 using this method if you listen and follow through. For those who have been living under a rock, Instagram is similar to Facebook, except you can only upload photographs, videos, stories, and other similar content. You can just publish text or a status update, and the majority of people use it to share photographs and videos. So that's the primary point. Are you ready to learn what tactic we'll be employing today? Before everything else, this is arguably our favorite tactic of all time because it can only be used on selected websites. Therefore, discovering websites that offers it is uncommon and must be taken advantage of. Also, where did you come from, our newcomers? We'd love to hear from you. So leave a comment below and tell us what you like about the channel so far. To return to the matter, we'll be utilizing this website by utilizing their affiliate program. That's how we'll make money. Now, it may not be what you expected, but you must believe us when we claim that affiliate programs are the best ways to make money online because all profits are fully passive and come in on autopilot. It's not only the simplest thing to do, but it's also the quickest method to generate money. The earnings may not always be as high as you'd like, but once they've been accumulated, you may easily be generating 6 figures in a year. Returning to the original page, scroll to the very bottom of the page. Check for affiliate options and choose. As you can see, this is the affiliate program for this website. Help people expand their Instagram audience faster while also earning money. This is done in 4 simple steps. To begin, sign up as a free affiliate. It's easy to get started, and there are no hidden expenses to participating. Expect to earn affiliate commissions in every orders placed by clients you introduce to the Uplift community. Second, after joining the Uplift affiliate program, you can create your own affiliate URL to share with your network. ClickFunnels or anything else that can produce orders and income are also good options. The third step is to publicize your website's URL. It's critical to share your URL if you want to earn a recurring commission. We value affiliates of all sizes, but we especially admire those that build up unique funnels to build their own recurring revenue streams. The more orders we receive, the more commissions we'll be able to provide. Our top affiliates are rewarded more than $10,000 per month. Track your earnings and be paid. Number 4, through your own unique affiliate panel. You'll be able to track every new client you bring to Uplift. Each client referred to Upleap earns you a 30% commission in all orders they place with the company. Payments are made at predetermined levels. To sign up, click this button and you'll be taken to this page. You'll get a 30% commission, as you can see. Can you image that? 30% is a large percentage. Now, fill in your first and last name, email address, and password. Confirm that you're not a robot. Agree to the terms of service and join up. Please like and share this video with your friends if you find it entertaining. Subscribing is free and you may leave a remark below. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, switch on the notification bell, and leave a comment below. I'd be grateful. If we get 1,000 comments saying more money to me on this video, we'll make a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this one, showing how you can get money doing easy things like this. So if this video gets 2,000 likes, we'll produce a brand new video that's possibly wilder than this one. So, with everything out of the way, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. So, you can see the scripts that we've created for you that you can easily copy and paste, since this is the script that will inevitably lead to people to clicking on your link, which is exactly what we want. This is simple to copy and paste into your affiliate website. You can receive 30% of the profit if they read this message and click on this link right here to make a purchase. Now that you've got the script and are a member of the affiliate program, you'll need to decide where you're going to share this post and your affiliate link. Quora.com is a good example of this. This is where we'll receive all the traffic we require as well as all the funds we desire. Simply sign up for a free account, paste your copied URL, and post your unique affiliate link, and watch the money pour like a river into your account. Every day, millions of people visit our page. Therefore, there's no better place to post everything than here, and that's virtually everything. Now, keep in mind that you can share this on any social network platform. You're not limited to Quora. This is simply our recommendation. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are all available. You can use forums, Tumblr, and a variety of other platforms. If you're a YouTuber, you can even make a video for YouTube. You may just make one at random and then post something like, "Hello guys, I have a link down here in my comment section." So that's really all you have to do. And many people believe that the traffic you'll bring to that website with your affiliate link will help you earn more money. You'll get paid for bringing traffic to their website with your link in addition to the 30% commission you'll get paid for. That's practically everything. So type upleap.com into your browser for today's website's URL and follow the steps we instructed you to make money online. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.